Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we have to see about how to create a signal form in AngularJS. First we have to create a I have create a project and configure everything. I will explain it. Okay. Now the signal form is available in login login.ts. Then first import the required field. Form with required and email and signal. These are the requirements here. Form field, you have to import the form field here and create a signal using email and password, login model, and using this model login, create a login form using the using this method. Mark required email as required and email is valid email address and required password is required. Next, loading and submit. Loading means if the path loading are not showing it and submitted and message if any error message are coming you have to display the error message on submit and prevent default reload the page block the page reload submitted is set submitted as true and loading is true and form field you have to create a form field to login from email my server to access it and if any error if submitted means you will display the error message in the bottom of the code. Now and multiple assignments are displayed here. Same in the password field also. Again password errors of track error kind. Now we have to run the code. Code is here available here. Registration form. Everything here. Error message is displaying error here. This form signal form is useful to when we submit the form on submit you have to check the code line of HTML. When we submit the code on submit, we have to on submit we have some the event itself. The event will be on the default reload the page, and we have to use the submit of to validate the login form. If everything is valid, then only it will be come inside the submit of function. That's it. After that, and the problem will be solved. I'll check the code. Now this is error message. Not didn't submit reload the page. So reloading the page. That's it. Okay, I don't forget to subscribe to the channel to continuously. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and to see my videos again. And you should subscribe my channel.